What's coming next in life? What is coming next in life? Oh my god. What is next in life is it can be a clash, it can be a big clash, or it can be a little clash, but there will be a clash which is gonna figure out or which is gonna clear out the path. The path is you have chosen a new direction, or you have chosen something beautiful for you, or different thing for you, and somebody can come and claim that whatever you are doing, it's you should not be, or something can happen that can actually clarify or give you insight about who you are as a person, and what you should entertain in your life and what you should not. Somebody can say that whatever path you have chosen is not right for you. They want to claim you in some way, or they want to have this power over you that I have already claimed you. You belong to me, and this person would like to have some time and some favors. But I feel like there will be two things. You are going to put a lot of conditions on that person. There will be a lot of conditions, and these conditions can make you really free, because then you will understand not everybody you should entertain, not everything is a play. Some things can be extremely dramatic, and to get rid of this dramatic situation, you have to be very strong in your energy and tell to that dramatic thing, either you don't leave my life right now, then there will be a consequence. So I think whatever is happening, you should not take things too seriously. But whatever this mocking and this trying to deviate you from your path, and somebody is trying to claim you, you have to put certain things very very bluntly. They are operating, these people or this situation is not very good. It can be karmic, it can be, they are not a very good healed people. They are unhealed and also very dramatic, or they are trying to become extremely chaotic in your life. They are trying to become extremely dramatic, and because they feel like you are so innocent, you are so real, so when we try to create drama, you will get scared and you will change your path, or you will change your mind, or you are so good that you will fall into their in the name of love and the name of relationship and goodness, you will do what they are wanting you to do, and you will not actually go towards the path which is actually right for you. These people should be slayed. These people should be very, you should be bluntly saying certain things to people, and that is, you are moving in your life, and if something or some people really want you, they have to elevate themselves to your level. If they cannot elevate themselves, then they have to suffer the consequences. Maybe this is what you are going to say to people very bluntly. I cannot be there for you for the rest of your life, and I'm not going to stay in your life. Why these people are telling these things to you? There can be two people, or there can be two three people who will try to put you into this love bombing and try to give you sweet why they want to have something that you are doing. It gives them pleasure, or it gives them some sense of power and happiness, that you are not going after, you're not growing, you're not becoming a bigger person, you are trying to boost them. You are trying to actually flattering, they want flattering. So such people, you will be doing something very strong with them. Yeah, you will be showing to this people that you people, you're not anywhere around me, so don't try to be extremely sweet and dramatic. You are going to call out them very bluntly. You are going to call out to these people very bluntly, and from here on, you're not going to be extremely sympathetic with people, because you have learned a lesson. When you become extremely sympathetic, they will try to make use of what you are doing and what you are saying. So it's like you're having an awakening about yourself as a person, and you are understanding sometimes being extremely loving means you have to be blunt where you have to be. You simply cannot entertain people that way. If they're not healed, then has to be distance. If they just can't heal themselves, then there is no point. And once you become this way, once you act, or once you step into the actually position of a guru and a mentor, you will see many people are gravitating towards you, many people are trying to get your attention, many people are there around you dancing and singing and trying to get your attention in some way. But the universe is telling you to step onto the role of a master, either a spiritual master or a healer, that you have to be very strict with your boundaries.